Hi, my name's Aran and today I'm going to talk you through the brand new FBS-B cordless file belt sander. Let's take a look what's inside the box. Two plus one warranty booklet and manual, battery charger, UK power cable, 5 amp battery, Allen key, sample file belt, and the 10mm cordless belt sander. The Mirka cordless file belt sander comes in two different sizes, a 10mm version and a 13mm version, with belts available in zirconia, ceramic and conditioning belts. Both cordless file belt sanders are fully adjustable. The 10mm is fully adjustable with a little screw knob where you just undo the position where you want it. The 13mm model has an Allen key of which you just slot in the top, twist and adjust to where you would like it, and then reset with the Allen key. Both are ergonomical in your hand with a trigger and full speed adjustment. Both cordless belt sanders are interchangeable with our Mirka battery system. Both cordless file belt sanders match the performance of their pneumatic versions without having to be attached to an airline. Belt sanders have open protection for easy belt changes. They also feature a spark protection flap as well. Both cordless file belt sanders have Bluetooth built in that will connect to the My Mirka app. They also feature a powerful motor which spins from 2,200 RPM right up to 18,000 RPM. Both feature an LED light. The applications for the belt sander would be for collision repair in spot weld grinding, metal grinding, weld seam grinding, paint removal and plastic sanding. Both tools can also be used within industry for removing of mould lines, mould cleaning and deflashing. I'm now going to show you how easy it is to load a belt onto the machine. First, take off the battery. Secondly, push down on the arm to lock the arm into place. Load the belt onto the back, then onto the front, then turn the tool over and click the button to tension the arm. Now the belt is installed onto the 10mm belt sander, we now need to check the alignment. As you can see here, the belt is pointing over to the right. We need to bring the belt more over to the left to sit central to this roller. To do this, you use the supplied Allen key that comes with the tool, and you need to adjust this screw here. Simply turn left or right to make it aligned. The belt is now aligned and running true. I'm now going to show you how to change a belt on the 13mm version, which is ever so slightly different to the smaller version. First off, we need to take the battery off for safety reasons. Secondly, you need to push down with 2 fingers on this part here. You then need to load the belt around the back roller, make sure it's centralised, and pull over to the front roller, then release with your finger. Now the belt is loaded onto the machine, we now need to make sure we've got the correct alignment. As you can see here, the blue belt is pointing over to the right. Ideally, we want the belt sitting central to this black block of plastic. To do this, we need to turn this adjustment knob like follows. You can now see that the belt is sitting in the central of the black plastic. We're now ready to go. On both the cordless belt sanders, you can change how the machine operates. We can go from a fixed speed or a progressive speed. As you can see here, it's on progressive, so the harder I pull the trigger, the faster the machine goes. If you would like to change the machine to a fixed speed, you need to click and hold down the 2 buttons for a couple of seconds, then let go, The machine should now go into fixed speed mode. So as soon as you push the trigger down, it goes up to its set speed. The Mirka FBS-B, available now.